Mastering email replies. Addressing every point with ease. Hello and welcome back to our video series on mastering English language skills. In today's video, we're going to focus on an essential part of email writing, replying to emails, and specifically, how to address each point in the original email. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to effectively respond to every point in the emails you receive, enhancing your communication skills. The first step before you even begin your reply is to thoroughly understand the original email. Make sure you read the email multiple times if needed, and ensure you understand every point that is being made. Consider each paragraph or bullet point as an individual topic that you need to address. Once you've understood the original email, it's time to plan your reply. Break down your response similarly to how the original email is structured. If the email you received had 3 points, ideally your reply should also have 3 corresponding sections. By doing so, you'll ensure that you address each point adequately and also make it easy for the recipient to follow your responses. Now let's move on to how to address each point individually. When replying, make sure to provide clear, concise responses. It's essential to maintain the same order of points as in the original email to avoid confusion. Remember to use phrases like, in response to your question about, regarding your point on, or, as for your request about, to guide the recipient through your email. This will make it crystal clear which point you are addressing at any given moment. Choosing the right language is crucial in your replies. Use polite and professional language. Make sure to use complete sentences, correct grammar, and appropriate vocabulary. And remember, clarity is key, so avoid jargon or overly complex terms. Once you've written your reply, it's time to review it. Go through your response to make sure you've indeed addressed each point from the original email. This step is important to ensure you haven't missed anything and your responses align with the points made in the original email. And that wraps up our video on addressing each point in the original email. With practice, you'll be able to draft precise and effective responses, ensuring your emails are always clear, coherent, and highly professional. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session. Until then, happy emailing!